A delegation of opposition Sikkim Democratic Front led by its president Pawan Chambling met Sikkim Governor Ganga Prasad at Raj Bhavan in Gangtok on 20 June and submitted a memorandum on the prevailing issues in the state. Speaking to media person after the meeting, the SDF president said that the 13-month-old Sikkim Krantikari Morcha government in the state has failed to deliver, and it was the duty of the SDF as a responsible opposition party to bring this to the notice of the governor. Chambling stated that the delegation appraised the governor of increased incidents of violence, vandalism and attacks during the rule of SKM and the failure of the police to take actions on complaints lodged by the SDF. The delegation told the governor that even incidents of threats and attacks on Chambling himself, a former chief minister, had not been inquired into by the police.
सिक्किम के लिए राज्यपाल महोदय का बहुत बड़ा अधिकार है, इसलिए वो चाहे तो सिक्किम में राष्ट्रपति शासन भी वो लागू कर सकते हैं। उसका अधिकार के तहत राष्ट्रपति रूल कभी भी वो लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि सिक्किम के संविधान में, सिक्किम के लिए संविधान में ये प्रावधान है। इसलिए अब राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू करना नहीं करना ये माननीय राज्यपाल के हाथ में है।
He alleged that there was no inquiry by the police into the attempt of murder of the SDF spokesperson JB Darnell in broad daylight recently. Criticizing the recent press statement of the SKM spokesperson Jacob Khaling on the issue, he stated that if the ruling SKM knew that SDF supporters were behind the attack on the Darnell, then it should arrest the culprits immediately. That they have not done so, it shows that SKM was behind the attack, he added. The SDF president alleged that the law and order situation has been deteriorating and democracy have been murdered in Sikkim and the rights of the people are no longer secure.
राज्यपाल महोदय से हम लोग मिले और पार्टी की तरफ से एक यादस पत्र हमने प्रेषित किया और आज तक सिक्किम में जो भी अभी हो रही हैं इसके बारे में हमने अवगत कराया। आज की जो सरकार की रवैया है ये अप्रजातांत्रिक है और पुलिस राज सिक्किम में है, कानून व्यवस्था भंग हो चुकी है। उस बारे में माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय को संज्ञान में जितना हमें रखना था हमने रख के आए।
Chambling also said when he was chief minister, the central government did not tell Sikkim about the Doklam crisis and the reason could be security issues.
जो दोकला में जो हुआ था मुझे पता है, उस समय मैं मुख्यमंत्री था, तो उस टाइम में भारत सरकार ने और आर्मी ने मुझे कुछ भी नहीं बताई थी कि दोकला में क्या हो रहा है, मुझे पता नहीं था। और ऐसा करना शायद ये डिफेंस के लिए, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के लिए शायद ये सही होगा, इसलिए शायद वो लोग नहीं बताते हैं।
The former chief minister was joined by senior SDF leaders KT Gyaltseng, DP Thapa, MK Subha, Acharya Tsering Lama, R. Ongmu, among others during his visit to the governor. Last year, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party PS Gole became the chief minister of Sikkim on 28 May 2019, thus ending the 25 rule of the Pawan Kumar Chambling of the Sikkim Democratic Front government in Sikkim. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.